Ireland Travel Guide. Ireland, an island nation with Dublin as its capital, is located near the westernmost tip of Europe. It is also the 20th largest island in the world and the second largest in the British Isles. Huge tracts of verdant green meadows are what gives the nation its nickname, the Emerald Isle. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be highlighting Ireland and everything it has to offer.
If you're a fan of our videos, be sure to subscribe to the Travel Guide and ring the bell to be notified whenever we post a video.
Ireland is one of the most fascinating travel destinations in all of Europe. It has a rich history, a vibrant culture, and unmatched natural beauty. And every region you visit will enthrall, amaze, and inspire you. Things to do. Climb Croagh Patrick. One of the most rewarding activities is climbing one of Ireland's tallest peaks. County Mayo's Croagh Patrick, which bears the name of Ireland's patron saint, has stunning views over Clare Island and Clough Bay. You can either take part in the annual ascent of the mountain or climb it at any other time at your own pace. Visit the National Museum. While you're in Dublin, be sure to check out the National Museum of Ireland. This amazing museum is spread out over 4 different buildings around the city. There are many different aspects of Irish history and culture to discover in each. The museum is free to visit, making it accessible to all tourists alike. Explore ancient Irish castles. Visit Dublin Castle for excursions that take you to the state apartments where the presidents have been inaugurated. You can also go to the Chapel Royale, which has exquisite decor and is quite unusual. To get the most out of your visit, reserve a suite at the County Cog's Ashford Castle. Check out the Cliffs of Moher, County Clare. Visiting the Moher Cliffs is one of Ireland's most well-known tourist attractions. You will reach a height of 200 feet throughout the 8-kilometer climb to the top, and along the way you will experience the thrill of standing only 8 inches from edges that, if you aren't careful, may send you plunging into the ocean. Explore the Killarney National Park. Killarney National Park is among the best locations to experience nature while traveling around Ireland. You can observe red deer and you can enjoy fishing in the glacial lower lake, where you can find trout, salmon, and perch. As you go around the park, you'll be rewarded with views of distant mountain ranges, lush moorlands, parks, gardens, and rumbling creeks. Go shopping on Francis Street. If you enjoy browsing neighborhood markets, contemporary malls, and gift shops, Francis Street in Dublin is the finest place to go. You can purchase unique Irish items to take home or a variety of other souvenirs available in the shops. Drive along the Ring of Kerry. The Ring of Kerry is one of Ireland's most beautiful driving routes and one of the most amazing tourist destinations. Driving the almost 125-mile, 200-kilometer length of meandering coastal roads while viewing lakes, natural scenery, and historic forts is one of Ireland's most well-known tourist activities. Visit the Dublin Zoo. If you have kids and are visiting Ireland, Dublin Zoo is a great spot to take them. Kids will love getting up and personal with exotic creatures. At the Dublin Zoo, you may see animals from all over the world, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. Additionally, you may catch a glimpse of native Irish wildlife, such as the hornless Galway sheep. Places to stay. Dublin is the ideal place to stay in Ireland because of its wealth of tourist attractions, genuine pubs, and other thrilling activities. In the city's core, you will have access to almost everything. You could also select to stay in a castle if you want a complete Irish experience. Transportation options. Ireland offers effective public transportation via train between major cities and respectable bus stations service to many smaller towns, making this the best choice for backpackers and those on a tighter budget. There are several rental companies all around Ireland, so renting a car can also be a cost-effective option, especially if you are traveling with more than 2 other people. Uber is another means of transportation offered in Ireland. Best times to visit. The ideal times to visit Ireland are between the months of March and May, or September and November, when it is less crowded and colder. Lodging and flights are the least expensive during these times as well. Ireland is a desirable destination because of its vibrant culture, as well as its natural beauty and rich history. Ireland is a wonderful place to visit since the Irish are known across the world for their joyous celebrations and because the nation holds numerous events and festivals throughout the year. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed our travel guide showcasing all that Ireland has to offer.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.